GUI, Graphical User Interface. Go to search and typing set password. First, you need to set up a PIN. If your computer already set a PIN, then you can go next step. Again, go to search and typing computer management. You can see local users and groups and go to users. Right-click on mouse, create new user account. Or can enable also, give username, can give password and description. You can more manage account here. User must change password at next logon, or account is disabled or enable. User cannot change password. Have some options. Already, user 01, our new user account. You can check account properties. Here, we can manage other account also, can add password or delete account. We can use computer in two ways, GUI, Graphical User Interface, and CLI, Command Line Interpreter. I will discuss both. Now we search PowerShell and open with Administrator. I will make separate videos for PowerShell. I already put command, you can follow this command. Command line, you can do anything and more easily. This called Power User or Super User. You can give user password. Our user account already, user 01. We can check our local user's account. We can delete account with remove local user command. Check again. User 01. No more. Now we create account without give password, parameters we using, no password. Already done, user 02. If you think my videos helpful, please consider like, share, and subscribe. If you like to learn more, get help, command, parameter used examples. You can see other examples of commands or get help command only. You can learn more here.